Hi everyone, it's your girl Makaylamashelle and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the video, I'm going to be transforming myself into Barbie. Okay, so the huge inspiration for this video is based off of this very blonde hair that I have in, which is just transforming me into a new person, and I absolutely love it. Like, I feel like an Instagram baddie. Like, I feel like, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I'm out there. I feel like I'm doing things. I feel like I might get me a sugar daddy with this hair. I mean, I don't want one. I wouldn't say yes.
I don't have a sugar daddy. I've never had a sugar daddy. If I wanted a sugar daddy, yes, I probably could go out and get one because I am what? Sickening.
But you know what? Just the feeling of like, I could get one with this hair is making me feel like, yes, honey, you did that. I can't even stop looking at myself in the viewfinder because I'm just like, what? Who is this girl? Who is she? Okay, so without further ado, y'all, let's just get on into the video because y'all don't want to hear me talk. Y'all don't. Okay, you guys always ask why I didn't include my eyebrows, even though I say it in the video, or I say it in the comments, or I say it in the description box. I don't include my eyebrows in the video just because it takes a super long time. Well, it doesn't really, but like, I'm always on a time crunch because I don't have multiple batteries for my camera. It's just a lot going on. So if you guys would like to see that whole entire process, be sure to click the description box and click on the link in the description box and you guys can watch my tutorial there, or my transformation there. Let's cut to a video from our sponsors. So, alrighty, you guys, this video is brought to you by Annabelle Hair Company. Like I told you guys before earlier in the video, this hair heavily inspired this makeup look and like is the whole reason why I decided to transform myself into a Barbie. So they actually reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try some hair from them, and I of course said yes. Okay, and the hair that I decided to try was their 613 Brazilian straight hair in the lengths 12, 14, 14 with a matching 12-inch frontal. I actually did not use all of the hair when I created this this wig. I only used the two 14s and then the 12-inch frontal, so that's just telling you how thick these bundles are, y'all. I absolutely am loving this hair. I just feel like a new person with this hair. Like, I feel like, who is this? This isn't even Makayla. Like, this is blonde, y'all. So if you guys would like to know more information about this hair, be sure to look in the description box. I have a bunch of links for you guys, coupons, all that good stuff is gonna be in the description. Also be sure to check out my video on how I lifted the hair, because I went from this color, which it won't really focus on, but like I'll try to take a picture of separately because you can't really see, but when you take a picture you can see. Like, you can't see on video just because my camera isn't the best, but like when you take a picture you can see like the difference in the colors between it. This is definitely like a lighter ashier color, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys would like I said, if you guys would like to know more about this hair, be sure to click the links in the description box. All right, let's get back onto the makeup. thanks so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this is inspiring you guys to get into your pink bag for this summer. Not shy away from color, not shy away from blonde, just because, you know, you might be a little bit chocolatey, or, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please be sure to turn on that post notification by hitting that bell. And I always forget to say this, but follow me on my other social media networks, especially on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I am trying to really get heavy into Instagram, so I'm gonna need you guys to, you know, follow me there too. Okay, all right, love you guys. Bye. Stay